Development problems. 1. Pollution. Development has an adverse impact on the natural environment. These impacts include water quality and sewer issues, air quality and transportation issues, soil conservation and hillsides, noise pollution, and the effect of barriers to protect houses from the noise, solid waste disposal, and loss of scenic resources, wildlife habitat, trees, and agricultural resources. 2. Inequality. Widening income inequality is the defining challenge of our time. In advanced economies, the gap between the rich and poor is at its highest level in decades. Inequality trends have been more mixed in emerging markets and developing countries, with some countries experiencing declining inequality, but pervasive inequities in access to education, healthcare, and finance remain. Inequality can be a signal of lack of income mobility and opportunity, a reflection of persistent disadvantage for particular segments of the society. Widening inequality also has significant implications for growth and macroeconomic stability. It can concentrate political and decision-making power in the hands of a few, lead to a suboptimal use of human resources, cause investment reducing political and economic instability, and raise crisis risk. 3. Unemployment. A high and persistent rate of unemployment is one of the most dramatic aspects of the current economic crisis. Unemployment can be defined as a state of worklessness for a person who is fit and willing to work at the current wage rate. It is a condition of involuntary and not voluntary idleness. Simply stated, an unemployed person is the one who is an active member of the labor force and is seeking work, but is unable to find the same. Development can reduce unemployment, but this is not always true. The developments of robotic and mechanized technologies are more responsible for the existence of high unemployment rate. This is because the rapid advancement and expansion technologies can replace huge labor force. 4. Inflation. Many authors have found a negative correlation between growth and inflation. In a broad sense, development makes the riches alone to accumulate wealth. This situation leads to unfair distribution of resources. Wealth will be accumulated in the hands of the few by ignoring the majority. Hence, the purchasing power of the poor will be significantly reduced. Finally, the condition will more aggravates the problem of inflation.